my name is Liu Tingli. Today I want to teach you how to do a catching game. A catching game is a sprite that needs to catch the thing. If the sprite catches the thing, the score will go up. If it loses the thing, the score will go down. So, let's get started. So first, make a new project. Name your project as Catching Game Part 1. This is the sprite. So I'll scratch a cat. Choose a sprite. I'll choose a team. I'll choose a bow. Then I will choose a thing to let it catch. I will choose the apple. So now, let's do the codes. So first, we want the apple to go up at the random position and go down. Go to the motion category and take out the go to random position and take out a set Y2. Let's see, how high can it go? Like 180. Let's see. That's good. So, take a when green plus click. So, let's see. Good. And we want the apple to go down. So, take out a forever loop, go to motion, and take out the change Y by 10. It doesn't go down, it goes up because this is a positive number. We need to put it as a negative number, like -5. Let's see. Yay! So the apple goes down. But we don't want the apple to go down forever and stuck there. We want the apple to go down, touch the ground, and go up. So, go to Control, take out a if then, and go to Operators and take out a smaller than. How low can it go? Let's see. Like about 180. -180. So, go to motion category and take out this round block called Y position. And we want it to go up in a random position. We already have the code. So, drag it out. Duplicate, put it inside. So let's see. Yay! The apple is working. So now, we want the catcher to go right and left. Take out the when green plus click, go to Control, take out forever, and take out if then twice. Go to motion and take out a change X by 10, and another will be a negative number, -10. Go to Sensing and take out a key space press. But we don't want key space, we want it to be key left arrow and right arrow. Let's see. Yay! The bow can move now. So, the apple will go through the bow. But we don't want the apple to go through the bow. We want the apple to touch the bow and go up at the random place. So, duplicate this and put this as touching mouse pointer. Not touching mouse pointer, but touching bow or your catcher. So, let's see. Yay! It's working! So now, let's put a score. Make a new variable and name it as score for our sprites. So click OK. And first we want the score be 0 at the beginning, and we want it to change score when we touch the ball. So let's see. So yeah, it's working. So this to this video. In the next video, I'll teach you how to add the backdrop, music, and more effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos. I will see you next time. Bye bye.